Today we're going to be looking at how to convert milliliters into liters. For question number 1, we're being asked to convert 4,000 milliliters into liters. Looking up top for our conversion, we can see that 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So when we're converting milliliters into liters, we're going to divide the value of our milliliters by 1,000 to convert those milliliters into liters. Returning back to question number 1, we're going to divide our 4,000 milliliters by 1,000 in order to convert those milliliters into liters. Or another way to think about this is, how many equal groups of 1,000 can we make out of 4,000? Well, we know that we can make 4 equal groups of 1,000 out of 4,000. So when we convert 4,000 milliliters into liters, we get 4 liters. Moving on to question number 2, this time we're being asked to convert 7,655 milliliters into liters. This one isn't going to be quite so straightforward though, but there is a little trick that's going to help us solve this. Returning back to question number 1, we started out with 4,000 milliliters. Now, anytime that you have a whole number, there is a decimal written to the right of the whole number. We typically don't write it though because it's not necessary. But we are going to use it for our little trick. And here's the little trick. Whenever we're dividing a number by 1,000, we can accomplish this by simply shifting the decimal place 3 places to the left. So we shift it once, twice, and 3 times, moving the decimal to the right of the 4. And then we don't have to include these zeros because we don't have to write zeros to the right of a decimal place. So we get the whole number answer of 4, just like we did up top. So let's give this a try with our second question. We have 7,655 and we have a decimal to the far right. Now we're going to divide that number by 1,000 by simply shifting the decimal place once, twice, and 3 times, giving us the decimal of 7 and 655 thousandths. So when we convert 7,655 milliliters into liters, we get 7 and 655 thousandths of a liter. So hopefully by now you understand how to convert milliliters into liters. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.